back in again, guys, with another video beer review, taking a look at a seasonal beer from the Brewdog brewery, and it is a can of their bird-brained Barracuda. This is a rum barrel-aged porter, weighing in at a nice 9.2% ABV. No information, well, there is information on there, but it's, you know, bollocks again. It's all nothing about the beer really, just distribution in various languages. 330ml can, silver dream machine on the arse end of that. Yeah, great artwork. Picked this up from Brewdog bar when I was over in Southampton for the day. £4, I think it was £4.10 or something like that. See what we get with it. Okay. What have we got? Well, it's jet black, all right. Tan finger of head, looks nice and creamy. Yeah, there's no escaping the rum. That's all it is really, woody rum. Do get a bit of alcoholic burn coming up. Yeah, it sort of twitches the old nostrils a little bit. Let's dive in. Cheers. Yeah, sitting this at room temperature as well. Cool. Where do I start? What's coming into my head first? Mouthfeel. And I like the mouthfeel to it, first and foremost. I think that's pretty key in this sort of style of beer with the ABV. Everything's holding well for me body-wise. Flavours, yeah, loads and loads of rum up front. It's got that cedary woodiness to it. There's a little bit of molasses in there. Back end, you've got all the jazz of coffee. Roasty coffee, bitter dark chocolate. A bit of vinous in there. And of course that 9.2% ABV. It comes up, gives you that heat kick from the alcohol in it. But again, it all works nicely with the booziness, the rum, and the backbone of a porter. This one delivers for me. Yeah, I mean, it's like I said before, I cracked it. There's no suggestion of what's gone into the beer really. Maybe there's a description on Brewdog's website. I don't know, I haven't looked. But this is what Brewdog's all about. These sort of beers. Yeah, the light stuff, it can be a little bit hit and miss. But the dark stuff, yeah, they just sort of know what they're doing with it. And this is a fantastic porter. At a good price, I think, as well. Yeah, I like that. I really do like that. That's very drinkable, actually, for 9.2. Deadly. There we go. Brewdog and their bird-brained Barracuda, a rum barrel-aged porter, 9.2% ABV. I'm guessing you can pick it up on their website. Their bottle shop, their bars, that's where I got it from. Decent stuff. See you on my next one. Cheers.